Good morning, students. Welcome to the GK class. And today we will discuss in the GK class. We will discuss about the 4 chapters: India's superlatives, chapter 26; chapter 27, Indian languages; chapter 28, food and festivals; and chapter 29, Indian states. So first we will discuss about the Indian superlatives. So there are many man-made structures in India which are the center of the attraction for tourism. So here are some of the most famous structure of India. Write the correct answer in the space. So first one is largest zoo. Which is the largest zoo? So Zoological Garden is the largest zoo of India. It is situated in Kolkata. Biggest church is St. Cathedral in Goa. Largest museum is Indian Museum in Kolkata. Largest man-made lake is Govind Sagar. Highest tower in India is Qutub Minar. It is in Delhi. Biggest fort is Red Fort. It is also in Delhi. Largest tunnel is Jawahar Tunnel. Longest platform railways. Longest platform is Kharagpur. Highest dam is Tehri. Tallest statue is Gomiteshwar. It is in Mysore. Longest road is GT Road. Longest river bridge is Mahatma Gandhi Setu. It is situated in Patna. Longest barrage is Farakka Barrage. And largest largest residence is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Largest dam is Hirakund Dam. Largest cave is temple is Ellora. Largest mosque is Jama Masjid. It is in Delhi. Largest dam is Gol Gumbaj. It is in Bijapur. And now chapter 27, Indian languages. Tick the correct option. Which of these language is written in the Devanagari script? Marathi language is written in the Devanagari script. Which of these in which of these states is the language Dongri spoken? Dongri is spoken in Jammu and Kashmir, J and K. Which of these is the main language of Kerala? The main language of Kerala is Malayalam. In which of these states is Konkani spoken? Konkani is spoken in Goa. Which of these is a Hindi spoken state? It is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a Hindi spoken state. In which of these state is Garo spoken? Garo is spoken in Meghalaya. Kannada is the main language of which state? Kannada is the main language of Karnataka. Which of these is the main language of Andhra Pradesh? Telugu is the main language of Andhra Pradesh. Match the following. Match each of the state with its main state language. Haryana. The language of Haryana is Hindi. The language of Haryana is Hindi. Gujarat. The language of Gujarat is Gujarati. Odisha. The language of Odisha is Oriya. Nagaland. D. Nagaland. The language of Nagaland is third. क्या है? Angami. And the E, last one. The language of Manipur is Manipuri. Second one. Food and festivals. We celebrate our festivals with great joy and enthusiasm. And people from different religion enjoy the traditional delicacies prepared on these occasions. So match these festivals with their associated dishes. So festival, Ram Navami. What dish we prepare on Ram Navami? Kheer. Raksha Bandhan, Ghevar. Christmas, plum cake. Ganesh Chaturthi, Modak. Lohri, Pinni. Navroz, Faluda. Makar Sankranti, Til Laddus. Pongal, पायस्म, and Holi, Gujia, Eid ul Fitr, मीठी सेवैयाँ, Bakrid, Shami Kebab, and Guru Parv, Kara Prasad. So now chapter 29, states and capitals. So fill in the blanks with the name of the state or capitals. Take help from the given box, given map. So Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Telangana, Hyderabad. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata. So these were some states and capitals. So today we have finished chapter 26, 27, 28 and 29. So all the 4 chapters you will complete in your book and you will learn these chapters also. Okay? Good day, students.